Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 methods how you can share Google Forms responses with others. So in here, I've already opened the Google Forms and I'm going to just show you the first method. The first one is that you can just add the other persons as collaborators. So in here, I've already opened my form. So you can just click on this three dots icon and find this add collaborators option. So just tap on that. And then you can just select the person that you want to set as collaborators. For example, here I've already add this one. And in here, you need to choose the role as editor, and after that you can tap on done. So when you do that, they will also have access into the responses. Okay, the second one is that you can just print the responses summary. You can now just click on the three dots icon again at the top right corner and tap on print. Okay, so you can just print this summary in here, this responses summary to your printer device. The third method that you can do is that you can use Google Sheets. So in here, you can just tap on this link to Sheets option. Here you can create a new spreadsheet, tap on create, and then a new Google Sheets will be open. The responses, you can see this one is the responses of the Google Forms that I created. So you can share with others using this Google Sheets by clicking on the share button and then add the people groups or groups to the Google Sheets. You can add them as editor in here and then you can just tap on send. And the fourth one or the next one is that you can download the responses as .csv or the Excel file by clicking on this three dots icon in responses. So you need to go to this responses tab first, click on the three dots icon, and there will be this option download responses. So after you download the responses, you can now just share it with your partner, maybe using anything that you want. Okay, the last one is that you can just print all of the responses again by clicking on the three dots icon, then tap on print all responses. And here is the print preview. You can see this is the responses. Now you can just print, click on print, and after that you can share the hard copy of the responses with others. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.